Hey guys, welcome back. Frank here with Makeshift Frank. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own knobs. Alright, this is the easiest thing in the world. All you need is a wheel from a hole saw, you need a bolt, you need a nut, you need a chisel, a little bit of super glue, you need a drill. Okay, so now here behind me, I've got everything that I need. I've got a drill or drill press, a chisel, I've got my bolt and my nut, I've got my super glue, and I've got my two wheels. Now we're going to make two of these. We're going to make the male and the female. Now this is MDF. This came from an old shelf. This probably isn't the best thing to use, but I'm just showing you that you can use anything. I like making it out of wood. Also, it does not have to be round. It's actually better if it's not round, in my opinion. If you use a square block of wood, then you get really good leverage on it. Now, you can also make this a star knob just by drilling out some spots with a bit or a Forstner bit. We're not going to do all that today. We're just going to make two knobs, a male and a female. All right, let's get to it. Hey, real quick, I want to thank everyone for joining me. If you like these videos or if I've helped you, help me. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave any comments and questions below. All right, let's do it. Okay, so you can see here, I've got a bolt and a nut. If we put our calibers on it, you can see that that's right at 1/2 inch. Okay, so we got our bit. It's a 1/2 inch bit. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in our drill press. We're going to drill holes out. Quick tip, always keep a magnet on top of your drill press. That way you're never losing your chuck key. Also, whenever you're tightening your drill press, tighten all 3 key spots. Okay, now that we have our holes drilled, we'll check our bolts, and you can see it's a perfect fit. Now comes the tricky part. What we need to do is take our marker or ink pen and mark around the perimeter of the head of this bolt. Then we'll take our chisel and we'll chisel it out. We'll also do the same thing on the other knob, but with the nut. All right, so now we got our bolt in there. We're just going to go along the perimeter. There. Now all we gotta do is chisel that out. Now this is MDF or some kind of particle board. This is a little brittle. Like I said, the best thing to use would probably be wood. But the point is, you can make this out of anything. And you want to go about as deep as the head of your bolt. All right, so now what we're going to do, just going to tap it in there. Looks like it's going to be fine. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing for the nut on this one. Okay. Just like this. There, that should be fine. And it's just a process of chiseling down, scraping outward, and just trying to keep your hole straight. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to accommodate that nut. Almost there. One more time, I'll do it. Now, now I think this will do it. Let's try it to make sure it fits. There, that's pretty good. All right. Now what we're going to do is take super glue and fill these holes up with super glue and put our bolts and our nuts in. All right, there's that. There, and there's that. And here's just a close-up of the knobs. Cool deal. And guys, look, there's all kinds of things you can do with this. You can make knobs for jigs. Let me show you what I've done with it. Okay, look, this is one of these square knobs I was telling you about. I made this the same way with a bolt and a nut. See, and this is my trunnion for my homemade scroll saw. This is the male. And the good thing about these square knobs is they're easy to grab and they don't slip out of your hands. See, there's the male, and there's my female. And these knobs come in incredibly useful. You can use them for all kinds of things. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how you can make your own custom knobs. You can make them round, you can make them star, you can make them square. The possibilities are endless. It's however you want to do it. So that about wraps it up. I hope I've helped you. If I have helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the videos I post. Always be careful and always stay safe. See ya.